Hey, look, that's my dad, Mr. Dependable, the selfless hero of the Richardson family.
My name is Robert Richardson, and I work part-time at UPS and full-time at Measurement Incorporated in Durham.
After his father passed, my father took up his mantle and continued to help the family.
Yes, sometimes I do. Around the house, helping my parents, my mom, my sister, of course, my wife and daughter and son.
But what does he like the most about helping his family?
What do I like the most? I don't think I have anything that I really like the most, other than seeing them taken care of and their smiles and stuff when I do something that they like or enjoy.
He's done a lot too.
Well, I built a swing set for you and your brother when you were small.
He's also built a back porch and a clothesline for my family alone.
Of course, it's always important to take care of my family
But why does he continue to help?
because they're my family. Because they're my family and I love them. I want them to be taken care of and happy. You do whatever you need to do to take care of your family and your friends. If it means helping out sometimes when you even don't want to, you still do.
There he goes back to work. But I know that whenever I need help, Mr. Dependable will always come to my aid.